Hello, word listeners, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this linguistic journey. Today, we're diving deep into a word that's fundamental to our understanding of energy and history. Our word of the day is coal. Coal is a B1 level noun that means a black combustible rock used for fuel. It's a naturally occurring substance that has played a significant role in powering industries and heating homes for centuries. So, in simpler terms, coal is a black rock that we burn to create energy. You might hear it used in sentences like, the train was powered by coal, or they used coal to heat their home in the winter. Let's delve a bit deeper into how we can use coal in everyday language. Think about phrases like, he was given a lump of coal for being naughty, which is a humorous way of saying someone didn't get a good Christmas present. Or, the coal industry used to be a major employer in this town. Now, let's explore some words that share a similar meaning with coal. These are called synonyms. One synonym for coal is fuel. For example, instead of saying the power plant burns coal, you could say the power plant burns fuel. Another synonym is carbon. We might say the analysis revealed a high percentage of carbon in the sample, implying that the sample contains something like coal. Another word that can sometimes stand in for coal, especially in a historical context, is cinders. You might say, the hearth was filled with cinders after the fire burned all night. Remember, while these words have similar meanings, the best choice depends on the specific context. Now, let's switch gears and explore words that have the opposite meaning of coal. These are called antonyms. It's a little tricky to find direct antonyms for a physical substance like coal, but we can think about sources of energy that are not black, combustible rocks. One such antonym could be sunlight, renewable energy source. For example, instead of burning coal for energy, we can harness sunlight using solar panels. Another antonym could be water, in the context of hydroelectric power. We could say, the dam uses water to generate electricity, unlike a coal-powered plant. Another contrasting term might be wind, as in wind energy. Imagine saying, the wind turbines provide clean energy, a stark contrast to the pollution from burning coal. Okay, let's look at more examples of how you can use coal in sentences. The old mine was once a bustling center for coal production. The price of coal has fluctuated significantly in recent years. Scientists are researching cleaner ways to burn coal. The smoke from the burning coal filled the air. The child received a piece of coal in their stocking. Now, think about everyday expressions involving coal. Hauling coals to Newcastle is an idiom referring to doing something pointless or unnecessary. He felt like he was carrying coal on his back, indicating a heavy burden. And remember our example, receiving a lump of coal, which means getting a bad gift or disappointment. To recap, coal is a B1 level noun, a black combustible rock used for fuel. We've explored synonyms like fuel, carbon, and cinders, and contrasting terms like sunlight, water, and wind. We've also looked at common expressions using coal. I hope this has been a helpful exploration of the word coal. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. Remember to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps other learners find us. And now, for your homework, try creating your own sentence using the word coal and share it as a comment below this episode. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.